Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about some upgrades that I've made to some of my equipment recently. One of them being a new 3D printed body for the Etha 2. If you know me or have seen my past videos, you know that the Etha 2 is one of my very favorite markers. So I was really excited to start seeing all these 3D printed bodies coming out, especially the ones that are pretty minimalist and sleek. This one's by Muddy Bloody Factory. You can find these guys on Facebook. You can order these on Shapeways. This is made out of glass reinforced nylon, or their professional plastic. They also have a lower grade version that's significantly cheaper than this one. What's nice about this, in my head, from my research, it's 3D printed, but it's more of a homogeneous material. It's more, it's less layering. It should be printed in one solid piece rather than a bunch of layers connected. Like I said before, this is a pretty expensive upgrade or modification, really. It's hard to say. When it first came out, it was $155. It just so happened, I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy one. The next day, I bought one. They upped the price to $177. So after taxes and shipping, it was about $197, which is a lot, I would say, for a 3D printed body. But given the material, that's glass reinforced nylon, just like the stock body, I was willing to give it a shot. I just love the way it looks. I originally was going to get it in black, but I was like, add a little bit of character to it, get it in gray. These are raw colors. It only comes in black and gray, just so you know. I've played a scenario game with it. I've hit the ground with it in Speedball. It seems to be holding up just fine. I do have some issues with it, with a little bit of flexing here and there, but overall it seems like a pretty solid body. So we're just going to take a closer look at it and get some dimensions and compare some weight to the stock Etha 2 body. So if you look at the Muddy Bloody body on the stock tube of the Etha 2, it slides out nice and easy. There's no resistance, which indicates that, I mean, you can kind of see here, there's a bit of flex here. The tube is obviously a little, or the body, the sleeve is a little too big for the tube, given how thin this material is. So I don't know if that's going to be an issue later, but something to note. When you compare it to the sleeve of the Etha 2, it's nice and snug, obviously. Be careful taking this off. When you take it off, just push through the tube here. I forget exactly how I did it. I think I was like this, and it gave, and these very dull plastic bits, if you hit these hard enough, you will bust open your finger. It's been 3 weeks. This is a huge gash on my finger. Just be careful, because it doesn't want to come out all the time. And I shouldn't have put this in. And now it doesn't want to come. Finally got it back out. But yeah, this is much more snug. Obviously, let's see if I can get these to show properly. Obviously, way thicker, the original stock Etha 2 body, compared to the Muddy Bloody. So you can kind of see how this flexes. I don't like these tabs here, personally. I think they're just going to kind of break off at one point, or at some point. Yeah, the whole body kind of flexes, except for the front. The front is very robust. I really like that, which is important because this is where it connects into the nose of the stock body. So I have no qualms with this area here. Very, very solid. Everywhere else though, you can kind of tell, given that it's slimmed down, it flexes. So we're gonna do a bit of a weight comparison. Let me take this off real quick. So we'll do a bit of a weight comparison. I don't know if you guys can, nope, you guys can't see it. I don't know why you always try that. Okay, we're at 0. Stock Etha 2 body, 105 grams. Muddy Body factory body, 47 grams. So it is significantly lighter, half, obviously, less than half of the weight of the Etha 2. It's not really too noticeable holding the gun from what I can tell. I think that brings the Etha 2 body, or one assembled and everything, down to around 100 or 850 grams. So I guess that's an improvement from around 900 grams. If I remember correctly, when I originally did the math, the stock Etha 2 with the stock body came in around the same weight as a stock CS1. So not too bad. Break out the trusty caliper here. We're just going to do a quick measurement off the back. So we'll do inches for us Americans. So the stock body comes in at 1.5175 inches. The stock back comes in at, or the Muddy body comes in at 1.3595 inches. So I'll do one more measurement off the top. So this comes in at 1.5170 inches. This comes in at, whoa, that's much different. This comes in at 1.380 inches. So, so quite a significant difference in outer dimensions. So in conclusion, I think it's a great marker, or a great upgrade to a great marker. Seems to be lasting. Obviously, I'll give some update later on in the future for it. Check these guys out though, Muddy Body Factory. Check out all the people making 3D printed bodies for the Etha 2. There's a lot of creative people out there making some pretty awesome things for it. So yeah, stay tuned for any updates on this thing, on the durability of this thing. Hopefully there aren't any updates and it's just working. So thanks for watching, guys.